Hey guys, I hope doing well. And in this video, I just talk about how to proper focus on proper content strategy. Because without proper content strategy, you cannot be create such kind of unique pieces of content, such kind of valuable content, amazing content for your audience. Make sure at least you have to focus any kind of whenever just you follow such kind of mentor in digital industry. So make sure you have to notice how much they can be execute on 8B social media platform, and make sure you have to notice that which type of who's that what's the best time PM they can be post. That can be really important, because without proper timing, without proper knowledge of this concept of this kind of content, you cannot be exposed, you cannot be execute on every social media platform, right? So make sure you have to be proper focus on proper content and proper focus on proper time PM. That's the really important. Make sure you have to be create such kind of images type of audio type of video type of text type of content and many more type of content. And if you want to start Instagram marketing, so make sure you have to know a lot of the people are upload such kind of IGTV series, upload such kind of graphics related content. There's a lot trending. There's a most trending right now. A lot of the people such kind of sharing such kind of graphic related content, and make sure that can be providing such kind of value. That's the real important thing to grow your marketing, because without providing value, without providing proper knowledge of this kind of industry, you cannot be execute, you cannot be grow. So make sure you have to focus on proper content, the strategy that can be really important. So make sure you have to proper focus on content strategy, that can be really important, that can be really important to grow your marketing standard.